Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. The two Himalayan nations Nepal and Bhutan have been lashed by heavy rains in the last 3 days as the annual monsoon season begins. Flash floods triggered by the heavy rains washed away the remote mountain camp in Bhutan on Wednesday, killing 10 people and injuring 5, while floods in neighboring Nepal left more than 7 people missing. The Bhutan villagers who had been collecting medicine in the highland were sleeping when the floodwaters hit just after the midnight. Their camp near Laya, about 60 kilometers north of capital Thimphu, was totally washed away. The villagers were camping by the side of small stream between the two small hills, and it is very tragic that they were washed away by the floods coming down the stream. In Nepal, 3 bodies were recovered and more than 7 people were missing after overnight rains in Sindhupalchok district, which borders the Tibet region of China, triggered flash floods in the Melamchi river, destroying dozens of the homes. Several people in Melamchi had moved to higher grounds with their belongings, while army helicopters were rescuing those who trapped in marooned houses. More than 3 days of rainfall caused the Melamchi river to rise, sweeping away the several houses and damaging bridges and road infrastructure in 2 municipalities northeast of Kathmandu. Authorities has urged people living around the Narayani River to remain alert as the river was flowing above the danger mark. The Narayan River flows into India as Gandak. Nepal and Bhutan have been lashed by heavy rains in the last 3 days as the annual monsoon season begins. Monsoon-induced disasters are very common in the two nations owing to their mountainous topography and big rivers. After unprecedented rainfall in Nepal, the Gandak Basin in Bihar in India faced a flood-like situation on Wednesday. All 36 gates of the barrage built in Gandak River in Balmiki Nagar had to be opened. Several districts of Bihar faced a flood-like situation on Wednesday due to sudden rise in the water level of River Gandak after rainfall in the catchment area of neighboring country Nepal. Fortunately, the condition has not led to any casualties or major displacement of people. However, people living in some low-lying areas had to migrate as water entered their villages. They carried their cattle and valuables and relocated to their areas via tractor, bicycle and foot. The district administration in these areas have alerted the people and asked them to move to safer places. As per the reports, the Gandak River's water levels were very close to the danger mark in East Champaran, Gopalganj, Saran and Muzaffarpur in Bihar. West Champaran district, which is located at the state's northwestern tip, was the worst hit. In Betia Down, near the Indo-Nepal border, the building was totally destroyed. Meanwhile, many parts of the North Bihar and more importantly, catchment areas of Nepal have received up to 250 millimeters of rainfall in the last 48 hours. This is unprecedented for this part of the year. There is a fear of heavy rainfall in catchment areas of Nepal, and this heavy rainfall causes discharge of massive quantities of water from the barrage. The weather department has forecast that most parts of the Bihar will receive medium to heavy rainfall over the next 48 hours. The department also warned of the susceptibility of lightning strikes at ponds, orchards and waterlogged areas. It also sounded an alert over the exposure to lightning strikes at ponds, orchards and waterlogged areas, which is in plenty in the North Bihar districts. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.